hope I need to share Hi guys, I hope you guys doing good. Long time. Sickness Kashanyana guys, gonna be live, and I'm just gonna be live for like 5 minutes. I'm sorry, Michael, I can't add you. Thank you, Paratwayo. So guys, into eating right now. Okay, I'm in KZN, there's some lies. So right now I'm driving, I'm kidding, but I'm on my way home. So I wanted to update you guys. You go to soon, maybe like in 3 days or 5 days, I'm gonna update a new website. If you're not trained, you can click on that website. So it updates are soon, but I'm gonna be live before training saying. Hi Stacey, how are you? You proud to go to live? I'm not proud, right? It's just that sometimes if only we enjoy when we're live and whatsoever, and in the flu, you're proud to go to your car in my car in Chalum. And one thing about me, when I'm in KZN, ngipindele goal sengenile guys. Inyama siyayidla la. Ayindaba yokulala. So ngizozama ukudla nje. And I'm still gonna upload more videos at the gym, you know. I'm on my way back from Mtwalom. I'm on my way back from Mtwalom. Oh, Mkhaya. July. So yeah, I'm in Durban, I'm in KZN. But yeah, guys, and I content and stuff, and yeah, I can't wait to get home. So yeah, for a week, I think so 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm gonna update a new link or website and a new book, guys. Can't wait. But it's about training session and stuff. If you wanna train, you must click on that book. What else? Yeah, no, saying that it's in well and running support. I'm trying to advertise as go figure, but yeah, so I have clients and stuff. Yeah, that's it. But in the basically right now I'm on my way home, and Caneta. Hi Mintos Unjani. I'm lazy. Minang limazani ngeshuthi wona. Mina anglimazani. So yeah guys, look. Let me show you if you realize I'm going to when you're coming to US. I'm going there next year. Actually, I'm going to Qatar. Next year. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure. I'm kidding. I'm not sure, hey. But I might. But I'm not going to go to US. I might go to Qatar next year. I'm not sure when. Like, I'm not sure. I wish, actually. Oh my god. I think this is a glue or something. Nihlafuna inhliziyo nihamba phambili yini manje ukuhlafuna inhliziyo angikuzwa mina ukuthi uthini ngihlafuna nje inhliziyo like chicken heart ngiyahlafuna chicken heart. I can tell that. Oh. This is my fave. We baba siyakhuleka baba. Thank you so much, Stacey. Thank you. And my nails also. And my nails. Setsa nama screenshot. Sikulekeli male. No. You okay? Guys, I'm driving with my man. Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? Yeah, that guys. But yeah, I'm driving with my man. Blondie, what a lovely name. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Please play Umzukulu Firefighter mas. Ngizomcheck. Sicela ungifake kwi-live yakho siswami. Ngizobe ngi-add. Please. Yes, thank you. Stevie. Angeke ngize ngitshengise. Angaze antshontshe la. Angaze ngimntshontshe. Neighbor, you want from the box this one. Yeah, done. Check it, guys. Inetwork yami. Isiyahlupha vele. Ngingaze ngivele ngithe. The first time I saw you was everything. You drives my mind crazy and my heart beating so fast. Baby, I'm also tennis court time. Uti, the first time he saw me, everything something. You drives my mind crazy and my heart beating so fast. I'm mad, but I will like I'm somewhere so doing. Baby, you're on school side. Dancing gears. Oh, he said, Lene, finally gears. What's the song, no, guys? I'm coming, Nicolami, I'm coming. You sent Lene and Janet. Okay, guys, listen for listening to coming as a club. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for joining my live. Have a great day. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Oh baby, Uti, here when it's Kosan. Here when it's Kosan. What's Kosan? What's Kosan? Sabang, bonus on tennis Kosan. It's Kosana. C'est Kosana.
And I'm partnered with my daughter.
Okay, bye guys. Gonna bella. In it to come. In it to come. Is a club.
Being team personalizing all Amber products.
Bye.
Modeling for 26 years.
That means it's a thing I put my band. In it to come is a club, but I'm gonna be live tomorrow. Oh, what's in Kulelu toy while missing a pum? Hey, I told you. Oh. Hey, oh. He's chilling. Oh yes, always Kosan. Oh yes. Hey, I told you. Where's Kosan? Unga pull me. Again, boom. It's what I we're going straight. Somebody straight to the same time. Yeah, we're going straight. Njoba ngimthwalume into engizoyijima nifike leyajimela pha phezulu ngase